In this video, I'll show you how to set up and to use the auxiliary input right here on your new Pioneer DEH-S1200UB. Alright, I want to play some music from my phone or some other device and plug it into the auxiliary input right here and play some music. But when I press the source button, I get to CD, and I don't want that, so I press source again, I get to radio. I press source again and I go back to CD. I don't get to this auxiliary thing. How can I do that? We have to set up the auxiliary input. Let's show you how to do that. So from any source, press in on the volume control, and let's roll along here until we find the system menu, and let's press system, and let's roll along here until we find auxiliary input. So here you can see auxiliary is switched off. Let's press in on the volume control to switch auxiliary on. Now we can hit the arrow back button to go back out. And when I press the source button, there's auxiliary. So I'm going to get my 3.5 millimeter jack and I'm going to plug it in right here. And on my music player, make sure that the volume is turned up on your music player a little before you start to adjust the volume on the in-dash receiver.